Welcome to the channel, guys. True Jamaican Vibes, Fire Reid. It's a beautiful day in Jamaica in the Tresure Beach area. As you can see, I am in the Sprat area. A lot of people visit Tresure Beach. They want some place to stay or enjoyment. So today, guys, I am in the Tresure Beach area at Sprat. So enjoy the tour with your True Jamaican tour guide, Fire Reid. Let us explore our beautiful journey to Sprat, St. Elizabeth, Jamaica. This is where you can have your steamed fish, jerk fish, any type of fish you want. Just visit our beautiful island Jamaica in the St. Elizabeth area, Sprat. Let's take a tour. So guys, you can leave in the comment section and tell me what you think about this area in St. Elizabeth. It's a very nice place for friends, family, wife and husband. If you want to get away from home, just come to Sprat in a St. Elizabeth. The place to be. Very nice area. So I'm gonna take you around and you also can see the view. So just keep on watching. I'll leave in the comment section. Tell me what you think, man. Very nice area, guys. So you also can walk the beach and get a nice sea view in the area.
I want to look for breakfast. Oh, wait, we'll come back to me.
So yes, guys, don't know when I eat today, but I believe I will have some steamed fish, and the steamed fish is very great. Kind of confused, but there's some steamed fish we feel some now to the guys. So a lot of seafood, Jamaican food is right here. So just come and enjoy the place at Sprat. Very nice thing out here. So me I show you what I go on the 2023 place still live. Now living colors same way. So you also have a parking lot, very safe area guys, so not have to worry for no vehicle safe. So this is the parking lot area. So them serve the food now, so I'm gonna eat it and tell them how the food tastes. As I tell you, I'm having some steamed fish, also some steamed bunny and some vegetable. So trust me, taste the food, tastes nice and everything. Seasoned just right, not too spicy. So if you're a healthy type of person, care for your health, this is the best place to come. Salad dressing perfect, pepper right, and also trust me, the garlic does get a nice flavor. So just always remember to check out Jack Sprat in St. Elizabeth area, in the Tresure Beach area. So yeah man, big up yourself and everyone who watch from yard and abroad. Big up myself and a tour guide Fire Reid. Show them many different places in Jamaica, where to go, when to go. One love, one heart, manners and respect.